In this video, pag-usapan natin yung naging recent na bisita no, ni Greg Slaughter kay Coach Tim Cone na dati niyang head coach sa Barangay Ginebra. At ito nga no, noong August 26, 2025 ay nag-post si Greg Slaughter sa kanyang Instagram story, sa kanyang IG story ng kanyang photo with Coach Tim Cone, no? And apparently, bumisita itong si Greg Slaughter sa kay Coach Tim Cone, no? Doon pa mismo sa gym ng San Miguel Corporation sa Pasig City, no? And kung inyong maaalala, naglaro si Greg Slaughter sa Barangay Ginebra for many years and won 4 championships under head coach Tim Cone from 2025 to 2020 kung saan naging player ni Tim Cone itong si Greg Slaughter. At sa ngayon ay scheduled na maglaro si Greg Slaughter sa Basilan. Pumirma siya ng kontrata doon as reported. And of course, after his stint with Ginebra, ay na-trade siya sa Northport, no, in exchange of Christian Stanhardinger after siyang magkaroon ng sabbatical, no. He took a break from basketball, signed a contract with Ginebra later on in 2021, but eventually was traded to Northport, no, kapalit si Christian Stanhardinger. And then Greg Slaughter played in Japan, and then naglaro na sa MPBL with Manila, and then he is scheduled to compete, no, or play for Basilan in the MPBL. So ano nga ba tong bisita na to ni Greg Slaughter, no? Kasi marami ring na-intriga sa pagbisita ni Greg Slaughter kay Coach Tim Cone at doon pa mismo sa SMC Gym, no, sa Pasig City, no. So yun, and we asked Coach Tim Cone kung ano nga po itong bisita na to ni Greg Slaughter, at sabi niya ay purely bisita lang talaga ito, no. Itong pagkikita nila ni Greg Slaughter, and quoting him, no, when we ask about itong visit na ito, sabi niya there's nothing to it, no. He just came to visit when we were holding private workout for some draft hopeful. So yun nga, like Coach Tim Cone said, purely bisita lang ito ni Greg Slaughter kay Coach Tim Cone, and based dito sa kanyang sinabi, there's nothing going on, there's no talks of Greg Slaughter possibly returning to Barangay Ginebra. Walang ganon ayon kay Coach Tim Cone. And again, purely bisita lang ito ni Greg Slaughter sa kanyang dating coach, no. And it's noteworthy na banggitin natin, no, na at the moment Greg Slaughter is still yung signing rights niya is still with Northport, no. So kung sakali lang na gustong makuha ng Barangay Ginebra itong si Greg Slaughter, they need to get his signing rights pa sa Northport dahil doon nga siya huling naglaro, no. So yun nga, but once again, immaterial na po yun dahil according to Coach Tim Cone ay walang nagaganap na anything. Plain visit lang ito ni Greg Slaughter sa kanyang dating coach. Walang nagaganap na negosasyon. And once again, it's purely a visit by Greg Slaughter sa kanyang dating coach. So yun po ang ating video, no, and just reporting to you yung naging pagbisita ni Greg Slaughter kay Coach Tim Cone na gumawa ng konting ingay din, no, sa social media dahil nakita nga ng mga Ginebra fans itong post ni Greg Slaughter sa kanyang IG account. Thank you for watching again our video, and consider subscribing, and we will see you next time.